unlocks the future.
Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well, and today we are going to unbox Fossil's hybrid smartwatch. Model number is FTW7016, and let's open this thing and see what's inside. As soon as we open the box, we can see the Fossil Group's warranty card inside the box, as you can see here. Okay, let's keep this aside, and here you go. This is the watch, and you can see here. Now let's open this box. As you can see here, I've just opened the box. As soon as I open the box, I see a black color book inside. Let's see what's inside that. Yeah, this is the user manual guide. How to download the Fossil app, how to install it, and how to charge the watch and stuff. Let's keep this aside. And this is a warranty information booklet. Okay, keep this aside. Okay, here we have a wireless charger for this watch. This is type A cable, and this is the magnetic holder which we put on the back side of the watch, on the back side of the dial. I'll show it how to. And first, let's take a look at the watch itself. As you can see here, it's written here, hybrid smartwatch. Let's peel the sticker off. You have a push button over here to open the watch. You can see here. You can see the back of the watch. You have a heart rate sensor, and these magnetic tips are for charging the watch, and you have a noise cancellation microphone over here. And if you can see here closely, these straps are removable. It means that you can remove these straps and change it to leather ones, and you can put back these again if you want to. Okay, now let's turn on the watch. When you press the buttons, the small arrow and the big arrow aligns to the number 3 and number 9, so that you can read the notifications over there. As you can see here, all these three, you can see here, right? All these three things are buttons, and this doesn't rotate. You can see here, right? This is just a button. And never try to pull this out, because this is not a rotating bezel. This is just a button, and these two as well. Okay, as you can see here, the white color on this small hand and the big hand, and on the numbers, the white dots you can see here, right? Those are radium lights which glow during night time. These are radium painted so that you can have a good visibility during nights and when there is no light in the room. Let's connect this watch to the charger and let's see how this charger works on this watch. As you can see here, this is the wireless charger, guys. This is a magnetic tip charger which you attach this magnetic tip at the back side of this watch dial. And now as you can see here, connect this USB type A cable to an adapter or to your PC or to your laptop or to your power bank in order to charge this watch. And now let's quickly connect this USB A port. As you can see here, I am connecting this USB A cable to my laptop. As soon as you keep this on the back side of the clip, it gets attached to the back side of the watch. It starts charging. See, it's charging. You can see the battery notification over here. It just clips on like that. As you can see, there is a blinking green light, that is a heart rate sensor. As soon as I press this button, it's asking me to download the app. So first I need to download the Bezel app from Google Play Store or Apple iStore, and I need to install that in my phone and then connect this watch using Bluetooth to my phone. As you can see, I am just installing the Bezel Hybrid Smartwatch app from Google Play Store. And now let's just open the app now. Let me just quickly fill in the details. As you can see here, it has just identified my watch. See here, this is my watch. Click on that. That's it. It got paid. You can see here on the watch. As you can see here, the update has been completed. Let's click continue. See, my watch has started vibrating, so it's asking me to accept the connection. Press the middle button. Now it has accepted the connection. Before this time runs out, you have to click the middle button on your watch. As you can see here in the app, it's asking me to flick the wrist so that I can easily move the hands away and view my screen. Okay, let's do that and see. See, as you can see there, hands are moving so that I can see my screen properly. Okay, let's click continue then. Yeah, you can see here the app has been installed. Home, challenges, customization. You can customize whatever you want. Alerts and profile. As you can see here, battery percentage is 14%. As you can see here, the screen clearly. This big button is the home button, and this small button shows the activity today. And in order to navigate in a particular menu, this works as a top button and this works as a bottom button, as you can see here. And now it's measuring my heart rate, so let's keep it on my wrist. You can see here 77 BPM. And in order to go back, you need to click this one once, and in order to go to home, click this and it goes to home, and click the middle button, then you go to the home screen. This is how the watch works. You can see here, you can even play music by connecting your watch to your phone. Well, that's it for now, guys. Meet you in the next video.